Buongiorno, it's Nate from AustraliaWOW.com.au. Now, here is a very quick video. I'm going to show you how to embed your AustraliaWOW schedule, your calendar, onto your own WordPress website. Now, the best thing about that is that the general public and your own clients, your studio, members, your gym members, they can also see all of your classes, all your boot camps for the week or 2 weeks ahead, and they can actually book and pay for them as well. All right, and that's all done through your WordPress website. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly, and then I'm going to go in at the end of it. I'll show you how I did all of that. All right, so I'm going to assume you know a little bit about WordPress to be dangerous. Okay, so here goes. So this is my WordPress website, nathanhague.com. So what we're going to do is go to AustraliaWOW, and we're going to go on the schedule, and what we're going to do is go on the schedule widget. Okay, and you're going to copy this whole code here of meaningless drivel. Okay, you're going to copy that. Now what we're going to do is going to go to WordPress, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page. So let's go ahead and do that, and we're going to call this new page amazingly and creatively schedule. Okay, what we're now going to do is paste that code in there from AustraliaWOW. Okay, now let's just go back to AustraliaWOW. I just want to show you. So you've got 4 classes, and you've got a PT session with Chris Keating. Okay, so this is in your AustraliaWOW schedule. So let's preview now that WordPress page that we've just done. Literally copy and paste. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, just bring it up, and you can see the nathanhague.com site, WordPress, and you can now see the calendar. Great, you can see the entire schedule. Now you'll see that there's 3 classes, when on the actual AustraliaWOW schedule there was 4. Well, the reason for that is one of the classes appears in the past. All right, so obviously you don't want your clients being able to book into one of your past classes, right? So one of the really cool things I'm going to show you now is what actually happens. So let's go ahead and click on this smash a size class. So general public goes, oh yeah, that's pretty interesting. Let me click on that bad boy. So they go ahead and click on it. Okay, and we have just a placeholder YouTube video. Now you would have set this information up on this class, right? Optionally, you can put in a video about the class if you've got one. Don't have to, but you can. You've set how many places there are. In this case, there's 8 places. Okay, and you've actually done a description of the class, right? So when the member public clicks on that class, they see everything about your class, and they go, yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm up for that. So what they're going to do is they're going to put in their email address. So in this case, let's just do that. Oh, sorry, let's do that right. Okay, and you can see the book button has now come up. So the member of public just goes, yep, that's groovy, I'm up for some of that. Now you can see there's 6 of 8 places left. Let's book in as this particular person. Okay, and as you can see, they've been added into the class, and there's £5 for that class, right? And there's Nathan, and there's his mobile number that they've got to call, all right? So that's kind of cool, so let's go ahead and close that. All right, now there were 6 places left, as you recalled just a minute ago. Another member of the public clicks on the class, so they click on the 7 o'clock, and up comes the Baby D YouTube video again, shortly, with my internet connection. Okay, and you can now see there's 5 places, so that's been booked in. So they can now book. Now, if that person is a member of the public and they're not as a client in your AustraliaWOW system, let me show you the difference. Okay, so I'm going to go, this one's called Dave at, I don't know, sa.com, whatever. And Dave is going to now book. Now, he's not an AustraliaWOW client of yours, right? It's just some random walk-in. So now what we do is we ask him what Dave's name is, all right? So we're going to go Dave Smith. Okay, confirm his email address in this case. There we go. And we're now going to click that bad boy in. Click on book. So there you go. Dave now gets exactly the same message, right? So job done. Now let me just show you what happens back at the ranch. So you as the personal trainer, when you get to click on your class register for that morning, for example, you'll print this out, or you use your iPad, whichever. Let's go ahead and modify that. And now you've got the class register of the people that are in there, okay? So you can see there's Dave Smith, there's Sally Smith who just signed up, etc. Now you can see they've got to pay because of these dollar icons. Okay, if they have a prepaid with you and they book into your class, well, we'll just knock one off the prepaid. So we handle all the payments as well, right? So that's basically how that works. Now all the clients, your AustraliaWOW clients see, let's go ahead and log in as Sally Smith. what they get to see is, did I put the wrong password in? That's hot. Let me do that again, shall we? All right, and what they get to see is, okay, the 18th of July at 7 a.m, boom. Okay, so this will obviously send them a 24-hour reminder as well, text message and email. And you can see they're in the Smasher Size class at 7 o'clock. All right, so it's beautiful. It's just absolutely fantastic. Now, if they want to book in from your WordPress website, they can do that with a simple copy and paste command. That's all it is, guys. Copy and paste one single line, and you can now have your public schedule where your clients can book and pay for their classes and boot camps. This is a free update to all AustraliaWOW users, and I'll do another video when we've got some new features. Yay, Nathan out.